This is a journey into the world's most largest and notorious projects, Queensbridge. Listen while Nas saves his hood from the most cowardice rappers. He had a mass appeal and a little boy smile. Depressed has a complex, his mouth was foul. You need to stay a while, I feel like telling some stories. First is this arrogant fuck, his name's Corey. Hung around my mans, Lakey and Big Trevor. Trevor still locked up, Lake's getting his cheddar. Corey changed his name to whatever. Corn chip, buckwheat look-alike, it's Mega. Right, Mega was his name, sorry about that, but it's so hard to put a coward's name in my rap. Always acting tough, a joke stuck, be frontin'. He got snuffed, he got shot in the thigh, he did nothing. But that's Nas, always looking out for brethren, cause when brethren don't return love, it don't stress him, cause gangsters do gangster shit. Real recognize real, still laughing to the bank and shit. Back to core, got him a deal, but his rhymes was whack. Def Jam mad that he signed the contract. Now he got jealous and mad at my shine. Making silly tapes, I'm always on his mind. Nonsense, not to be obnoxious, kid. Mega, for the record, you could suck my dick. Bitch, you from around the way, you're sad what this do to me. But Queensbridge, we gotta have unity, they say.
The bridge is over, the bridge is over.
Nah, this is the time we destroy and rebuild it, they say.
The bridge is over, the bridge is over.
Nah, we the strongest hood, but weak niggas kill it, so they say.
The bridge is over, the bridge is over.
Nah, this is the time we destroy and rebuild it, they say.
The bridge is over, the bridge is over.
Now we the strongest hood, but it's these cowards that kill it. So now since we on the subject of traitors and flunkies, Mega ain't the only faggot in my hood, dummies. There's plenty that wanna be me but cannot. It's like King Arthur and Knight, Sir Lancelot, Lefty and Donnie Brasco, Gotti and Paul. Before I would've told you, Prodigy's my dog. Through the ups and downs, robberies and all. Though I always knew he wanted my downfall. He would say his little slick shit and act real funny. For what, nigga, you button, it got back to me. Asking the brave heart to help get back your jury. You ain't from my hood, don't even rap QB. Nature moved to Mars, man, dick riding nature. Nothing else to say, man, nature moved to Mars. What? Backward ass niggas, man, fuck them niggas. Go ahead with the program, man, proceed. Old lady pocketbook snatcher, car thief. Course we ain't friends, you never stood on no block, streets or corners with zombies and ghouls and gangsters. Cops, drug dealers with pools of blood. Anger just fills me when niggas lit out of town to set shop and get filthy rich. It's just not, no more morals, no loyalty, no more community. Queensbridge, we gotta have unity, they say.
The bridge is over, the bridge is over.
Nah, this is the time we destroy and rebuild it, they say.
The bridge is over, the bridge is over.
Nah, we the strongest hood, but weak niggas kill it, so they say.
The bridge is over, the bridge is over.
Nah, this is the time we destroy and rebuild it, they say.
The bridge is over, the bridge is over.
Now we the strongest hood, but it's these cowards that kill it. So now they same on the map after Marley and Shan, QB. Before The Rock had one jam, before the death row and bad boy beef, I had streets locked with raw talent. I laugh at the weak, so this about cleaning up house, my own backyard. Famous home of rap stars, well known be getting robbed. P, how many times nature ashamed that Juggle was busting his gun to get your weak chain back. They don't respect you or checks due for me for your fame. Mega, I hope you blow, so I'm saying your name. Mega, hoes play your position, cause you'll never be king. Even Jigga want the crown. How that sound? Poor thing. I'm representing Queensbridge, USA, with 2 SKs go off every day. Ruthless slay, all you little roaches and rats. Besides my man Ricky Nas, the true ruler is back, so haters say.
The bridge is over, the bridge is over.
Nah, this is the time we destroy and rebuild it, they say.
The bridge is over, the bridge is over.
Nah, we the strongest hood, but weak niggas kill it, so they say.
The bridge is over, the bridge is over.
Nah, this is the time we destroy and rebuild it, they
The
say.
bridge is over, the bridge is over.
Now we the strongest hood, but it's these cowards that kill it, so now they say. The bridge is over my dick, bridge will never be over. Long as I'm alive and breathing, brave hard to the graveyard. I'm the William Wallace of this shit. AOP, Prodigy, I got love for you, man, I love you, man. You know what I'm saying? Just get them unloyal niggas from out your circle. You can't save everybody. Niggas invited you to the hood, rep it right, my nigga. Be untouchable, my nigga. So we be mobbed for life, for real. And that's real. Hey, yo, Nature, I can't hold your hand through this shit, man. I'm not your father, man. Be your own man, stand on your own too. I believe in you, believe in yourself, nigga. I don't even rep this, man. Hey, yo, Mega, you wanna be a gangster? Yo, it's real gangster shit going on in the streets, man. Yo, niggas is in the grind. Where you be at, man? Niggas be bucking. Why you never bucking? Where you be at, man? All of a sudden you the motherfucking Nino Brown of the fucking hood. It's disgusting, man. Stay out the magazines. Keep my name out your motherfucking mouth. There's no more room for jealousy. We destroying and rebuilding. That means the cowards get out and real niggas stay. Niggas been hating me since I've been 9, shining with suede motherfucking ballies on the silks. I'll always be this young Don. Don't be like the niggas on the other side, hating me cause I'm beautiful. Real niggas in Queensbridge, young niggas come up, get this money, and move on, baby. QB.